Today we will be covering how to install Stockfish on your PC. You might be asking, what is this En Croissant thing I'm searching up? Well, you see, there is one catch you need to know. Stockfish doesn't have a visual interface. If you just open the file, you're going to see a blank command prompt screen. To actually play against it or analyze your games, you need to plug it into a free chess GUI like En Croissant, Arena, or Lucas Chess. So in today's tutorial, I'll be using En Croissant. First thing we do is click Download. Then choose your operating system. I'm using Windows, so that's what I will choose. Then, after downloading, open the program and click Next. Then click Next again, and again. Afterwards, be sure to have the Run En Croissant button checked. After you have En Croissant open, click the Engines button on the left bar. Then click the Add New button. Now you're going to see different chess engines. We're going to choose Stockfish, so click the Install button below it. After it's done installing, we're going to click the Board button and open the Analysis board. Once you've opened the Analysis board, click Analysis, and you'll see Stockfish ready to go. Just hit the Start button to turn the engine on. If you want to customize the board, click Edit Position. This lets you add, delete, or move any piece anywhere you want. You can also paste a fen string right into this field to instantly load a specific position from a real game. Finally, just choose whether it's white or black's turn to move. Hit Start, and you're ready to analyze without any problems. Thanks so much for watching. Hopefully, this helps you level up your chess analysis. If it did, feel free to drop a like and subscribe for more chess content. Let me know in the comments which GUI you decided to go with. See you in the next one.